Aloha, my name is Kanoe Kepaʻa-Kanagasuku. I was born in Honolulu but raised in ʻEwa and currently reside on the windward side in Kaneohe. I was a student here at Leeward Community College and recently transferred to the University of West Oahu to pursue a degree in business management. With that degree, I hope to someday pursue my goal, which is to create a self-sustaining transitional facility for offenders and ex-offenders. My mission would be to empower Hawaii's incarcerated men to successfully transition back into the community. My paper is entitled, "Can You See Two Sides of an Elephant?" It was written from a question. It started with a question from one of my professors at Leeward Community College. And what he was trying to teach us was about multiculturals and if we can always understand two sides or their side of how they look at their culture. Why did I write that? Well, I had a background in real estate and we lost a lot of properties. And when I found out about this, it made me think twice about what was happening in my life and looking more towards the future for my children. Maybe I may not be able to own land here in Hawaii, but I'm hoping that with this, more Hawaiians be informed about the illegal overthrow and understand the situation, and hopefully that we can not, if not for us, to better our children's future.